This is a tutorial for singing in the rain, this time as a piano accompanist. So this is even easier because you don't need to play the melody in the right hand. Somebody's singing it and you play the chord in the right hand, left hand plays the root note. So we're going to start on this G chord here, B, D, and G, and there's only 3 chords in this song. I'm singing in the rain, there's a G chord, just singing in the rain, what a glorious feeling. There's a G sharp diminished chord, B, D, F, G sharp. I'm hanging, that's D7. C, D, F sharp, and A. Happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready. There's a G chord again. B, D, G, ready for love. Let the storm clouds chase. Stormy clouds chase. The rain is that G7, G sharp diminished chord again. B, D, F, G sharp. I've a smile, that's D7, C, D, F sharp, A on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing. G chord. Real simple. So all you have to do is add the root note when you're playing a G chord, G note down low. When you're playing that G sharp, you're going doing this, G sharp, and then you're doing this when you're doing that D7. So work on it hands alone, and when you put together, this is what it sounds like. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready. Stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on, with the rain and a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy train. I'm singing